I would also like to point out that you are off center on the frame. You are not in the frame. Your arm is sticking out.
What are you telling me to do here?
Get closer to Bree. Don't make it weird. Why is he running like he shit himself? What?
Did he shit himself?
Either way, how do you sleep?
Pretty good. I woke up this morning like, when I set my alarm for 8:30 and then like I woke up and you're like, I could probably just sleep for like another 30 minutes.
I woke up at 6 a.m. today.
Yeah, that's insane. You're insane.
And maybe it was Kevin or Buddy, but they're usually always locked in Nick's bedroom. But I heard somebody run up the stairs.
That was him.
Not possible.
That was him. That was you.
Stop.
What?
What?
Stop. You think someone ran upstairs at 6:30 in the morning?
I'm not kidding you. I woke up at 6 a.m.
Stop. No.
Was it not you?
It wasn't you.
Are you guys kidding?
No.
Arthur.
Okay, to be fair, the ornament fell off the tree last night.
Oh, it did.
No one touched it. We were all, it was me, Ashley, Nick, Arthur, all sitting on the couch, and then randomly.
That is true.
And it wasn't like one that was hanging. It was like one that was.
It was like a random ass ornament at a random position just going.
It was the pine
plop.
cone. Yeah, it was weird. It was weird.
Listen.
You have ghosts.
The dogs were locked in my room until I woke up today, and I never left.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 8 o'clock.
Oh.
So listen, there's if you hear footsteps in the house, it's one of y'all.
Someone said Ines.
It's
Dude, I'm not kidding you. Yesterday, another host, Ines was hilarious, but I just couldn't support her obsessive behavior towards me.
Oh.